We'd like you to offer you the opportunity to see what we can do for your firm. Call it a second opinion, call it just an assessment of where you stand right now. But we have a process that we call a snapshot. And the snapshot will tell you exactly where your holdings are right now. It'll tell you exactly what those holdings would have performed over the last 10-year time period had you owned those the entire time. And it'll do a pretty detailed analysis, which is a couple of pages of a lot of really confusing numbers. But in there's some really good information that's really important. How much risk are you taking in your portfolio? Are you getting the return that you should for the level of risk that you're taking? Is there anything you can do to do better than where you stand right now? We'll provide this snapshot for you. All we need is a list of the holdings that you currently have, and we can run the report for you. We don't have to have dollar amounts. We don't need to see your statements. Just give us a list of the holdings that you currently have. We're happy to run that for you, and we're happy to discuss what the report means once we do run it.